I think the time has come. This is when, in fact, nobody would justify what took place in last October. I condemned it, and so did others. But I have to say that in my recent years as president, when I criticized Prime Minister Netanyahu for his actions, I know, because I have been often interviewed and harassed before, there are people in Israel who don't support him. There are people all over the world who don't support him. But if you criticize Netanyahu's policies, you are then described as being antisemitic. That is a disgrace and a slander. And it has been a slander against Ireland, against individuals, including myself. People, for example, who have worked all their lives in relation to human rights activity. And I think that it has been given too much space. The idea that a propaganda campaign against Ireland is now active in the United States, so that when we are seeking to have meetings with people who are for example, interested in investing in Ireland, they're being contacted in advance with a suggestion by saying, you must open by asking, why is Ireland so against the United States position on Israel? And what happens, of course, is this. We are among the best informed people, thanks to all those families who sent their soldiers, daughters and sons on peacekeeping to the Lebanon and elsewhere. And I salute them, because when they come back, they tell the truth of what was their experience. And some of them have operated under conditions of fire. But Gaza what we must now do, and this is a very important I think that
it's okay. That's fine there.
No, I just want to say that, and it is very important to me, is the proposal I made at the famine commemoration in Kilmallock. There is an opportunity for the General Assembly. If the Security Council doesn't act, the General Assembly can, on special measures for peace, it can have a special session and it can override the Security Council. And in fact, contrary to what has been said, that this has been only used in the case of Korea, it has been used 11 times. And now is the time. Today is the day for food and medical aid and water to be made available. And I salute all those who are trying to do that.